Good Friday morning. You know, it's the day we've all been waiting for. Got the weekend off. Got some work to do around the house. And I got a nice motorcycle ride scheduled for Sunday. Today we're going to be doing a new customer. I made it a short day today. We got to clean the roof on the garage, and we got to clean the mobile home and the driveway. But this is a new customer for a change this week. We've been doing all regular customers for the last couple weeks. And when you build a big business, not a big business, but a strong business is what I meant to say, you retain all your customers. And how you do that is you show up on time, you answer your phone, you do a fantastic job. You got to be friendly and personable with your customers, talk to them, make them feel comfortable, and most of all, have a good price that they can afford every year. You know, down here in Florida, algae grows overnight, so you really do need to clean your stuff at least every year and a couple months. But to retain that business, just always show up on time and everything else I just mentioned. All right, and we'll see you at the job. And you know what to do, right? Get after it. Happy Friday. All right, here we are at the job. We're going to be getting the driveway done. You can see the old guy try to get it cleaned up himself. There's a dirty roof up there. You can see the discoloration on the whole house over here. Just got them planting some grass seed here, which it rained last night, so half the seed washed out. See all this algae here? We'll be cleaning around here. We got the drone with us today, so we're going to be able to do that. Walking his dogs out here. Got this over here, and we'll clean up down that way. All right. Let him do his dog thing back there, and then we'll get this roof. I'm not going to get up on a ladder, so I brought the drone with me so I can see what I'm doing. All right, let's get after it. All right, we got our drone right there in front of us. Say hello, Boone. All right, let's go up there and check it out. Okay, there's our roof right here. Now I'm going to be able to see where I'm spraying everything up. All right, let's get after it. All right, we got the roof sauced up there. Now we're going to get the front of this mobile home and down that side over there. We'll rinse our way back around, then we'll go down this way, then we'll roll back to the truck. All right, let's get after it. The whole front of the house is done, all the way to the corner there. While I'm here and the hose is already on that side, let's just bang out the driveway, all right? Let's get after it.
3 or 4 days ago, your mama said, son, don't you call my daughter no more. Before you accuse me, take a look at yourself. Before you accuse me, take a look at yourself. I've been running around, but you're making love with somebody else.
All right, bam to the driveway, right? Looks nice and clean right now. The whole house is looking real good all the way around. All right, we'll be back when we get to the side over here. It's very, very moldy. I'm going to go ahead and continue around that way, around to the back, but we'll be back for the worst side in a minute. All right, let's get after it. All right, this is how easy this is. See all that algae? Algae all on this north side, always. right, by the time we get around from the back, rinsing it back, that'll all be gone, all right? We'll be back for a final inspection. Let's get after it. All right, check it out. Just like I said, poof, it's gone. All we gotta do is the rinse, all right? Okay, let's have a review of the roof. Can you see that? There you go. You can see the roof right there, sparkling clean. Okay, now the Zeta's been running and running and running. You want to make sure you rinse these things out perfectly. Now I'm still feeling slippery water there. You know what I mean by slippery? There's some soap in it. We'll let it run about 5 more minutes and it should be good. But that's the key to keeping these machines running for a long time, okay? Without having any breakdowns. If you run the PSI too high and you don't rinse the machine out, you're going to have problems like every couple months. I'm not even going to say how long it's been running pretty good, so I don't want to jinx myself, but we'll let it run 5 more minutes. But the customer just came out, very happy. I used the drone as a tool to show them how clean their roof came. So if you can get a tool like that, it comes in handy to make these people happy, because there's no way for them to see the roof unless they walk down the block. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. You all enjoy your weekend now. Have a great day. And get after it. Well, guys, thank you for everything. And what do we do?
You get after it.
We get after it. Do you get after it?
Always.
What do you do?
Get after it. At home,
Everybody gets after it. Hey, when he gets home, he gets after it. Hey, look at this dude up here. I bet he even gets after it.
Mr. American.
Get after it! Okay, who won at the gym?
It don't matter if you win by an inch or a mile.
He got me by like 2 seconds today.
2 seconds.
The old man
Gotta get the time in.
beat the young guy.
The old man, how old are you?
Whoa, Don. You don't
Never
ask a
asked
woman
him
that.
his age.
Don't ask a woman his age. Oh, it's Bernadette. All right, I got me 175 gallons of water in the tank. And I'm better known as Juan Valdez. All right, let's go look at this little porch, all right? Let's get after it.